Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to enable the dark mode on your Google Drive. Now let's begin. Well, do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in. It is quite easy. Now let's go right into how to enable dark mode. On the navbar, at the rightmost section, you will see a gear-like icon. That is settings. Simply click on it. And from here, furthermore, let's go to settings once again. Right here in the settings page, initially you can change the start page from right here, and just below it, here is something called as appearance. It's giving me three options, that is light mode, dark mode and device default. Right now I just want to enable the dark mode, so I'm gonna click on the second option. And guys, there you go. As you can see, we have enabled dark mode in Google Drive. It's quite easy. And that's the gist of it, guys. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.